Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a custom reply to address in your HubSpot marketing emails. This is a simple step that can really improve how you manage responses and keep your email communication efficient. First, open your web browser and log in to your HubSpot account. This is the essential starting point for managing your marketing emails. Next, browse through your existing marketing emails and select the one you want to customize. This ensures you're updating the correct email for your campaign. Once inside the email editor, click on the Settings option. Here you'll find the Use this as my reply to address feature. Enter the email address you want replies to be sent to, making sure it's the one that works best for your communication flow. While you're here, take a moment to craft a compelling subject line. A subject line that clearly reflects your email content helps improve open rates and engagement. Finally, save your changes. Your custom reply to address is now set, and you'll notice improved response management and smoother communication with your